Today, I'm so excited because I picked one of my very favorite books, Pete the Cat. I love my white shoes. This is written by Eric Litwin and the pictures are by James Dean. And do you remember why I like Pete the Cat so much? Some things happen to Pete the Cat. They happen to all of us, but does Pete the Cat cry? He doesn't even whine very much. He has a great attitude. Do you know what that means? It means he just makes the most of it and keeps singing his song and having fun. He's not grumpy or whiny or crying all day long when things go wrong. No, he's happy. He has a great attitude. Oh, look at this. There's all different color shoes hanging up there on the telephone wire. There's Pete. Pete the Cat was walking down the street in his brand new white shoes. Pete loved his white shoes so much that he sang this song. I love my white shoes, I love my white shoes. Oh, I love my white shoes, yeah. Look, he's playing a guitar. And look at, see this bubble on top of his head? That means that's his dream. He's dreaming about his white shoes. He loves them so much. Oh no. Pete stepped in a large pile of strawberries. You guessed it. What color did it turn his shoes? Red. Did you guess red? Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. He kept walking along and singing his song. Like that. Can you snap like that? And he says, everything is cool. Can you say that? Everything is cool. I love my red shoes. I love my red shoes. Oh, I love my red shoes. Yeah. Do the hand wiggle. Yeah. Look it. He's in a little car with his guitar. A red car, huh? Oh, no. Pete stepped in a large pile of blueberries. What color did it turn his shoes? Blue. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. He kept walking along and singing his song. And he goes, awesome. Can you say that? Awesome. I love my blue shoes. I love my blue shoes. Oh, I love my blue shoes. Yeah. Look it. The rain is blue. He has a blue umbrella. But he's dry in his blue shoes, and so is his little friend the bird. He's not going to cry about it. Oh, no. Pete stepped in a large puddle of mud. What color did it turn his shoes? That's right. Turned his shoes brown. Did Pete cry? What do you think? Did that make him cry? Goodness, no. Goodness, no. Not Pete. He kept walking along and singing his song. Groovy, he says. I love my brown shoes. I love my brown shoes. Oh, I love my brown shoes. Yeah. And look at, he's got some hot chocolate in that cup. Tastes so creamy and delicious, that brown hot chocolate. I like his shoes when they're brown. I think it's kind of handsome. No! Oh, no. Oh, no. Pete stepped in a bucket of water. And all the brown and all the blue and all the red were washed away. What color were his shoes again? White, just like when they were brand new. Oh, but now they were wet. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no, not Pete. He kept walking along and singing his song. Rock and roll. Look at, I think he's got a banjo now. A little banjo. I love my wet shoes. I love my wet shoes. Oh, I love my wet shoes. Yeah. And while he's walking along, it goes squeak, squeak, squeak. The moral of Pete's story is, no matter what you step in, just keep walking along and singing your song. Because it's all good. Look at, I think he's tired of all that walking in one day and he just decided to take a nap. All right, let's remember to be like Pete. When things go wrong, we can just keep walking along and singing our song because it's all good. Okay, bye. See you soon.